nuclear power plant of happiness is just how I call myself. Kasi I was looking for some a phrase or probably a title that would somehow describe myself. So, kasi parang, how do I figure that out? So, nung sinisimulan ko yung aking personal brand, so ang ginawa ko, I read this book by Pat Flynn. It's called Will It Fly? So, parang, I'm not sure if that's even the book. I forgot. Ang dami ko kasi nabasa. So, ah, so doon sa libro na yon, parang pinatanong, parang i-submit mo to that's really the book I remember now.
Right.
So, doon sa isang page, sabi, i-ano mo to, i-email mo to, o kaya i-post mo to sa social media, tapos maghintay ka ng sagot. So the question was, if you're going to describe me, how you're going to describe me and why. Like, if there's a specific story, you tell me about it.